Good morning, students. Uh, Today I will discuss about demographic condition on the eve of independence. First, what is demographic condition? Demographic condition means information related to population. At the time of independence, India exhibited all features of stagnant and backward Indian economy. The first official census means counting of the population. The first counting of the population was held in the year 1881. Census operations were carried out after every 10 years in our country. Following are the points through which we can describe about the demographic condition on the eve of independence. The first is high birth rate and death rate. What is birth rate and what is death rate? Birth rate refers to number of children born per thousand in a year, and death rate refers to number of people dying per thousand in a year. Both death rate and birth rate were very high at nearly 48 and 40 per thousand. That is quite high. Second point is extremely low literacy rate. The overall literacy rate of India was very less, which was below 18%, and the female literacy rate level was at a negligible low of about 7%, which is quite low. Next point is poor health facilities. At the time of India independence, the health facilities was very poor in our country. Public health facilities were either unavailable to large mass of population, unavailable to large mass of population, or even available and which is highly inadequate. The next point is high infant mortality rate. What is infant mortality rate? Infant mortality rate Infant mortality rate refers to number of infants dying before reaching 1 year of age per thousand live birth in a year, which is quite alarming, around 218 per thousand. Next point is low life expectancy. Then what is life expectancy? Life expectancy refers to average number of years for which people are expected to live. Life expectancy was also very low, which is merely 32 years at the time of independence, and Indian is expected to live merely 32 years at the time of independence. Next one is that is widespread poverty. Though we have no any reliable data which shows the extent of poverty in our country at the time of independence, but there is no doubt that extensive poverty prevailed in India during the colonial period. The overall standard of living of common people in India was very low, and there was widespread poverty in our country. Now, next topic is occupational structure on the eve of independence. First, what is occupational structure? Occupational structure refers to distribution of working person across different industries and sectors. As you know, we have three sectors: primary, secondary, and tertiary. During colonial period, the occupational structure of India shows little sign of change. The stage of occupational structure during British rule can be summarized as predominance of primary occupation. During British period, around 70%, 75% of the population of workforce of the population were involved in the agriculture sector, and remaining 25% were in manufacturing and service sector, which is also called secondary and tertiary sector. Then second one is regional variation. It was evident that there is variation in different region in our country in terms of occupational structure. The state of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and West Bengal witnessed a decline in dependence of workforce on the agriculture sector and increase in manufacturing sector and service sector. However, there had been an increase in the share of agriculture in states such as Orissa, Rajasthan, and Punjab.